The year 2021 gave truth seekers and alien hunters no shortage of mysteries to ponder. But it also gave them answers, from a hotly anticipated Pentagon report on military UFO sightings, to new insights on habitable exoplanets, to the truth about a so-called alien signal from the Sun's nearest neighboring star. Here are 9 things we learned about aliens, and where to look for them, in 2021. Scientists may be ignoring alien junk in our own solar system, according to Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb's recent book Extraterrestrial: The First Sign of Intelligent Life Beyond Earth, published in January by Mariner Books. The strange, cigar-shaped object Oumuamua, which zoomed through our solar system in 2017, is almost certainly a piece of alien technology. In his book, Loeb argues that the object's unusual, elongated shape, unlike any known comet, extreme brightness and apparent acceleration away from the Sun suggests that Oumuamua is not natural in origin, but a piece of alien technology, possibly jettisoned into our solar system accidentally. A buoy. A grid of pods for communication. Other intelligent living organisms, defunct technology or discarded technological trash, Loeb wrote. These all are plausible explanations for the Oumuamua mystery, plausible because here on Earth, humanity is already doing these things, albeit on a far more limited scale. A majority of astronomers who have studied the object favor natural explanations, calling it a cosmic dust bunny or just a really odd comet. Thousands of alien worlds could have watched humans grow up, while human efforts to find alien civilizations among the stars have only kicked off in the last century or so. More than 1,700 alien civilizations could have been watching us for thousands of years prior. According to a study published in June in the journal Nature, 1,715 nearby star systems have had a perfect viewing angle of Earth over the last 5,000 years, and more than 1,400 of them still have a clear view today. All of these stars sit within about 300 light-years of our planet, and 75 of them orbit less than 100 light-years away. Given that humans have been transmitting radio signals for about 100 years, any of those 75 star systems are near enough that our radio waves would have washed over them already, lead study author Lisa Kaltenegger, an associate professor of astronomy and director of the Carl Sagan Institute at Cornell University, told Live Science at the time. Whether or not any hypothetical civilizations living in those star systems want to communicate with us is another question. There's no best way to communicate with aliens if aliens are watching us from relatively close by. What's the best way to tell them where we live? Live Science writer Joanna Thompson investigated this question in December, finding that no one method is flawless. On one hand, radio waves are a tempting way to communicate with extraterrestrials because these signals fit in a convenient gap in the electromagnetic spectrum called the water hole, a frequency between 1420 and 1720 MHz that's relatively free of cosmic background noise. On the other hand, radio waves broaden as they travel, meaning any message we send will become more diluted the farther from Earth it gets. Laser light does not have this problem, however. Laser signals require incredible precision, and are unlikely to reach any alien observers unless we target our message directly to their star system. Both methods have their advantages, and neither are perfect. Our own technology might be getting in the way. On April 29, 2019, astronomers detected a signal beaming toward Earth, it seemed, from Proxima Centauri, the nearest star system to our Sun and home to at least one potentially habitable planet. Because the signal fell into a narrow band of radio waves that are rarely made by human aircraft or satellites, researchers interpreted it as a possible sign of alien technology. But the signal never repeated, and a study published this October in the journal Nature Astronomy explains why. The signal was actually coming from a malfunctioning computer or cellular device located near the telescope that detected it. In the new study, the researchers looked over the 2019 data again and found several look-alike signals that seemed to be missing components of the so-called alien transmission. Together, these signals fit a range of frequencies consistent with common clock oscillator frequencies used in digital electronics, the researchers wrote. In other words, this alien message seems to have been a human computer on the fritz, but studying and identifying it still gives scientists valuable experience in separating real deep space signals from earthly noise. Alien abductions could be lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming, in which people are partially aware and can control their dreams during sleep, could explain so-called alien abduction stories, a study from July suggests. Claims of such abductions date to the 19th century. The circumstances of the kidnappings often sound dreamlike and trigger feelings of terror and paralysis. Certain dream states are also known to produce such feelings, so Russian researchers wondered whether dream experiments could provide clues about alleged extraterrestrial experiences. The scientists prompted 152 lucid dreamers to dream about encounters with aliens or UFOs, and found that a number of sleepers reported dreams that resembled actual descriptions of alleged alien abductions. Of those who described their dream encounters as realistic, 24% also experienced sleep paralysis and intense fear. Such emotions often accompany reports of supposed alien abductions, and though individuals who describe being kidnapped by aliens might truly believe that what they experienced was real, these people were likely experiencing an extraterrestrial meeting while in a lucid dream, the study authors reported.
Well guys, this video is over. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, be sure to hit the like button. Actually, I'm sick of why that I couldn't record this video with my own voice, so I decided to use artificial intelligence in this video. Eventually, I hope you enjoy, and until the next video, have a great time.